Hello friends, now we'll start the lecture number 7, and in this lecture we'll see the topics, that is the derivative of parametric function. हे आपण बघणार आहोत. Now the first is this exercise based on exercise 1.4. Now the first question number 1, if x is equals to f of t and y is equals to g of t are differentiable function of t, then prove that y is a differentiable function of x and dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dt, where dx upon dt is not equals to 0. This question asked in March 2005, October 97, then October 2000 and October 14. And hence find if x is equals to a cos square t and y is equals to a sin square t. This total is for the March 4. Now the solution. Let delta x and delta y be the increment in x and y respectively, corresponding to increment delta t in t. And since x and y are differentiable function of t. Okay. Next. Dx upon dt is equals to limit delta t tends to 0, delta x upon delta t, and dy by dt is equals to limit delta t tends to 0, delta y upon delta t, and this is equation number 1. म्हणजे इथे आपण डिफाइन करतो लिमिट्स त्यासाठीचा. Also as a delta t tends to 0, delta x also tends to 0. This is 2. Taking the limits as a delta t tends to 0, we get limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equals to limit delta t tends to 0, delta y by delta t upon delta x upon delta t. Limit delta x tends to 0, delta y by delta x is equals to, we'll take the limit for the numerator as well as the denominator. Limit delta t tends to 0, delta y upon delta t, and limit delta t tends to 0, delta x upon delta t, and if you take the limit, then you will get dy by dt upon dx upon dt. This is from 1 and 2. The limit in RHS exists now, and therefore the limit in LHS also exists. That is the limit delta x tends to 0, delta y upon delta x exists and is equals to dy by dx. Okay. And therefore dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt if dx upon dt is not equals to 0. And hence the proof. Dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt if dx upon dt is not equals to 0. Next, the question. If x is equals to a cos square t and y is equals to a sin square t, then find dy by dx. This question asked in March 19. Now differentiate this with respect to t. Dx upon dt is equals to minus 2a cos t into derivative of cos t is a sin t. Dy by dt is equals to 2a sin t into derivative of sin t is a cos t. Dy by dx is equals to, okay, and here the dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dt, and that's equals to 2a sin t into cos t upon minus 2a sin t into cos t. Here 2a get cancelled, sin t get cancelled, cos t get cancelled, and hence you will get dy by dx is equals to minus 1. And this is the answer. Now the next is also find dy by dx if x is equals to a cos t, y is equals to a sin t. This example asked in October 14. Okay, dx upon dt is equals to minus a sin t upon dy by dt, a cos t, dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. substitute the values, and hence you will get that is a dy by dt is a cos t, dx upon dt is a minus a sin t, and overall a get cancelled. You will get dy by dx is equals to minus cot t. Now the question number 2. If x is equals to a in bracket t minus 1 upon t, y is equals to a in bracket t plus 1 upon t, then show that dy by dx is equals to x upon y. This example asked in March 13. Now this is very interesting example. Given that x is equals to a in bracket t minus 1 upon t and y is equals to a in bracket t plus 1 upon t, that x upon a is equals to t minus 1 upon t. This is equation number 1. Y upon a is equals to t plus 1 upon t. This is equation number 2. Squaring and equation number 1 minus square of equation number 2 gives that x square upon a square minus y square upon a square is equals to t minus 1 upon t bracket square minus t plus 1 upon t bracket square. Okay, now we'll expand this t minus 1 upon t bracket square, that is the t square minus 2 times t into 1 upon t, that is the minus 2 plus 1 upon t bracket square. Next again expand that is the t plus 1 upon 2 1 upon t bracket square, that is the t square, again 2 into t into 1 upon t, that is the tt get cancelled. You will get minus 2 because here is a minus sign, and last is 1 upon t square, again minus 1 upon t square here because here is a minus sign. Now which term will be get cancelled? Here plus t square minus t square get cancelled, 1 upon t square minus 1 upon t square get cancelled, minus 2 and minus 2 that will become minus 4. Therefore x square upon a square minus y square upon a square is equals to minus 4. X square minus y square is equals to minus 4a square. Now differentiate this with respect to x. Therefore ddx of x square minus ddx of y square is equals to ddx of minus 4a square. 2x minus 2y into dy by dx, and the derivative of minus 4a square, that is a 0. Again 2 get cancelled, and if you simplify this, that is x minus y into dy by dx, x minus y into dy by dx is equals to 0. Therefore minus y into dy by dx is equals to minus x, that is a y into dy by dx is equals to x, and therefore dy by dx is equals to x upon y. Okay. Now third, if x is equals to 80 square, y is equals to 280, then find dy by dx. This example asked in March 13. Now the solution, x is equals to 80 square. These are the parametric equation of the parabola. X is equals to 80 square, y is equals to 280. Differentiate this with respect to t. Okay, x and y. Dx upon dt. A is a constant. The derivative of t square will be 2t. Okay, that is a into ddt of t square. That is a into 2t. That is a 280. Okay, next dy by dt. That is the derivative of 280. 2 is again constant. Derivative of t is 1 again. That is a 2a into 1, 2a. Therefore dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. That is a 2a upon 280. 2a 2a get cancelled. You will get 1 upon t. Dy by dx is equals to 1 upon t. This is the answer. Question number 4. Differentiate 3 raised to x with respect to log of x, the base 3, July 17. This example asked for the March 2. Solution, u is equals to 3 raised to x and v is equals to log of x to the base 3. Okay. Here, then we want to find out du by dv. It means that we want to find out du by dv, that is the differentiate 3 raised to x with respect to log of x to the base 3. That is nothing but differentiate du by dv. If we denote u is equals to 3 raised to x and v is equals to log of x to the base 3. Now we'll differentiate this with respect to x. du by dx is equals to d dx of 3 raised to x. Means what? 3 raised to x into log of 3. dv by dx is equals to d dx of log of x to the base 3. Means d dx of, will change here base. That is log of x upon log of 3. Here 1 upon 3, which is the constant, and derivative of log of x is 1 upon x. That is the dv by dx is equals to 1 upon x into log 3. And now next is du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. du by dx is 3 raised to x into log 3, and dv by dx is 1 upon x into log of 3. And if we simplify it, you will get here, that is a 3 raised to x into x, and next is log of 3 bracket square, and this is the answer. du by dv is equals to 3 raised to x into log of 3 bracket square. Now the question number 5. If x is equals to a cos cube t, y is equals to a sin cube t, then show that dy by dx is equals to minus y upon x bracket raised to 1 by 3. This example asked in March 18 for the March 3. Now the solution. Differentiate this. X is equals to a cos cube t, y is equals to a sin cube t. With respect to t, we get dx upon dt is equals to a ddt of cos cube t, and the derivative of cos of t bracket cube is a 3 cos of t bracket square into ddt of cos t, which is the minus sin t. Okay, and here you will get dx upon dt is minus 3a cos square t into sin t. Now next, dy by dt is equals to a ddt of sin of t bracket cube, that is the 3 a into 3 sin of t bracket square into derivative of sin t, that is a cos t. That is a 3a sin square t, derivative of sin t is a cos t, and therefore dy by dt is 3a sin square t into cos t. Now dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx upon dt. Okay. Now here we'll substitute the values. 3a sin square t into cos t minus 3a cos square t into sin t. 3a get cancelled, and again that is sin square t upon sin t, that is sin will also get cancelled. Here to the numerator cos t and denominator cos square t, therefore one cos will be removed to the denominator. Therefore dy by dx is equals to minus sin t upon cos t. This is equation number 1. Next, now x is equals to a cos cube t, means what? Cos cube t is equals to x upon a, taking the cubic root on both sides. Y is equals to a sin cube t, sin cube t is equals to y upon a. Therefore sin t is equals to y upon a bracket is to 1 upon 3. dy by dx is equals to minus sin t upon cos t. Now here we will substitute the value of sin t and cos t. Cos t is equals to x upon a bracket is to 1 by 3. Sin t is equals to y upon a bracket is to 1 upon 3. Therefore from 1 we substitute the values. dy by dx is equals to minus y raised to 1 upon 3 upon a raised to 1 upon 3, and this whole divided by x raised to 1 by 3 upon a raised to 1 by 3. A raised to 1 by 3, 1 by 3 get cancelled, and here you will get dy by dx is equals to minus y raised to 1 by 3, and here x raised to 1 by 3. We can compact it, and here you will get minus in bracket y upon x bracket raised to 1 upon 3. Now the question number 6. Differentiate log of in bracket 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse of x. And again, this example asked in July 19 for the March 2. Let u is equals to log of in bracket 1 plus x square, v is equals to tan inverse of x. U and v becomes parametric functions where x is the parameter. Du by dx is equals to derivative of log of 1 plus x square 1 upon 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square. Derivative of 1 is 0, x square is 2x. Therefore, du by dx is equals to 2x upon 1 plus x square. dv by dx, that is the derivative of tan inverse of x, is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Next, du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. Now here we will substitute the values 2x upon 1 plus x square and this whole divided by 1 upon 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square get cancelled and you will get 2x. And therefore, du by dv is equals to 2x. Okay. And in this way, we have completed this lecture. That is how to find out the derivative of parametric function and the important theorem. Now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.